Very good evening, everyone. This is Yanu from Bollywood Couch, and thank you so much for joining us live. I would like to thank all our associates, our beauty partner Vedi, makeup and hair partner Dishanu Bora, accessories partner Truly Mittila, community partner V, media partner Expansion Digital PR, food partners Machi and Indie Fair, and our education partner SSS Academy. It's said the future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams. Today, we have the glam model and the actress from Bollywood who started her career with the TV commercials of Parachute, Airtel, Coca-Cola, and many others. She was also seen among the top 5 finalists in the reality show India's Next Superstar. As an actress, she did her debut in the movies Class of 83 and The Big Bull. She will be soon seen in the popular Hotstar series City of Dreams Season 2. So, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, let's welcome Lekha Prajapati, the beautiful glamour girl from Jaipur. Okay, hi Lekha, I can see you. Okay, I'm just sending the request and Lekha. I hope she's got my request.
Hi.
Hey, hi, how are you?
Absolutely fine. I think I should push this picture. Yeah.
You look beautiful.
Thank you. So do you. Yeah. Lovely hair, eye makeup. Huh? I must say. I mean,
wow. Thanks.
I struggle with eye makeup every time.
Oh my god. I'm extremely flattered.
I'm good with other things, but when it comes to eye makeup, yeah.
But you look very beautiful, and we are so glad to have you with us.
Same here. Thank you so much for having me on board.
Okay, Lekha. So let's know there are a lot of things that we want to know about you.
Yeah,
so
it's a long
conversation.
A lot of people are.
Yeah, a lot of people are. Yeah, just joining you to see you. See. Yeah, thank you everyone for joining us live.
I did mention it on my Instagram like 20 minutes back. I was like, hi Manishji.
We can't see you, Lekha. Okay. I think there is some network issue. Okay, I'm just sending the request once again.
Yeah, hi.
Yeah, you are there?
No. I don't know. It suddenly disappeared. This entire window disappeared.
Okay, actually your video is, got stuck.
Oh, okay. Now can you watch me? Like now can you see me?
No, the video is stuck actually.
Okay, I can see you completely. I can see you.
The video is actually get stuck. So is it possible? I'll send a request once again if you could join back once again.
Yeah, let me disconnect.
Yeah, please disconnect. I'll just send you once again. Yeah. Okay, I'm sending Lekha a request once again. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Yes, we can see you now.
Yes, I can also see you now.
Wow, that's great.
Yeah.
Okay, Lekha. Yeah. So share us about your journey from Jaipur to Bollywood.
Oh God, a long journey, huh? To sum it up in 3 minutes, it's really difficult.
That's okay.
On a serious note, it has been a lovely journey, and obviously, I don't come from a filmy background. My dad's a journalist, and my mom is a homemaker, and obviously we have to face a little bit of hardships here and there. But then every time anybody asks me this question, I always tell them that it is not only the entertainment industry. I believe it is the case with every industry these days, and you really can't just say that you have you have to face a lot of hardships or you have to face a lot of struggles. I think it's even if today I enter the medical industry, or probably I want to become an entrepreneur, or like my dad, he's a journalist, I want to enter journalism. Everywhere you have a sort of hurdle which you have to overcome with confidence and with a smile on your face. But otherwise, when it comes to Jaipur, so I am born and brought up in Jaipur. I did my schooling from St. Anselm's, and I did my college from Maharani
Hmm.
College. And during my college days, I joined NCC and I wanted to get into defense services.
Oh.
But I wrote the examination, I cleared the examination, CDSE, and I went for SSB interview, which is Service Selection Board interview. So anybody who wants to join defense as an officer has to clear that. So
Hmm.
I wasn't able to clear it, and then again I wrote the examination, I cleared the examination, and I went for the interview, but that didn't happen again. And
Oh.
I was very sad. Like, I don't know why it's not happening. I'm like doing everything. I'm a decent student, and I've got decent strength also. I'm pretty intelligent. I don't know why it's not happening. And then I saw a paper cutting, and it said that there's this Mr. and Miss Rajasthan happening, and if you want to
Oh.
be a part of it, be a part of it. And I was going through that low phase, and I was like, okay, fine, let me just go for it. And it was a 5-6 days modeling course. I went for it, and towards the end, there was a contest. I did not win the contest,
Hmm.
but I got best hair and best smile. And
Oh.
I think then there from there my modeling journey started. And then I switched to acting. I joined theater. We did a lot of plays. We traveled all across. Hi Yuvraj. We traveled all across India, from the north to the south, from east to west, and we also went to Karachi and Lahore in Pakistan, and we did
Hmm.
perform there.
Wow.
Yeah,
Oh, very
and I think
interesting, yeah?
that's how. Yeah, and then I shifted to Bombay, and that's how I guess my sort of journey started.
Oh, wow. So, you wanted to be in the defense since childhood, and then being an actor and a model, it's completely opposite. Was it
Yeah.
only that paper cutting that you saw that attracted, or it was something else that you had in mind,
So
that it
no, no, no.
got
I
drawn
never.
into
I
you?
no. I mean, I wasn't as such inclined towards the entertainment industry, but obviously, as a I was always into co-curricular activities. As a child, I used to always participate in dance competition and painting competition and running. I was in fact vice captain of my school, of my
Oh,
house,
school.
because
Wow, that's
yeah,
great.
because I was always into co-curricular activities. And no, the moment I think changed when I remember when for the very first I was walking the ramp. And if you've been to any fashion week, any Lakme fashion week, or
Hmm.
anywhere in India,
Hmm.
so what
Yeah,
happens is there's a huge ramp, and you are at
yeah.
the center, and the lights are
Center.
all on you. Lights
Yeah.
are all on you, and in front of you, you can see media. And like media has like
Hmm.
there are 10,000 cameras, and you can see
I
audience
know.
here, but you can't see any of it because it's
You can't
so
see.
dark. It's so dark
Yeah.
because the entire focus is on you, and the entire light is on you and your garment.
Hmm.
I think that moment changed everything for me. I was like, this is what I want to do. This is something, where the entire energy and the entire focus is on you. I think that was a mind changing thing for me. So I think that was
Wow.
that moment. कि अभी यही करना है.
Ah, this is very interesting.
Yeah.
Okay, so you have done various TVCs, like for the well-known brands like Parachute, then Airtel, then Toyota. I think you have done
Yeah.
some ad with Virat Kohli also, if I'm not
Oh
mistaken.
yes, yes, yes,
Yeah.
yes, yes. I
So,
did one
so we
with
just,
yeah.
yeah, please tell.
Yeah, I did one with Virat. So he's a very, I mean, a lot of people they don't know he's a very good actor also. He undoubtedly he's a
Oh,
fantastic cricketer, but he's a very good actor too. Yeah.
okay. This was new actually for all of us, I'm sure. Okay, so what's the process and what was your preparation for those TVCs? And if it will be good if you could share some tips for our aspiring artists.
So see, when I entered Mumbai, I had no idea about what do you mean by casting director. I mean, I never heard like during my theater days, like how we used to get casted. Like for example, obviously we had to audition then also, but how we used to get casted as in like there was just 3-4 groups, right? And like if you know the other group, or if you know the organizer who's you know planning a play, you just go to them and you tell them that I want to be a part of your show, and I want to be a part of your theater group. And you go there, you meet them, and they sort of talk to you, and probably they audition you or whatever, and then you get selected. So the process was very simple, and the competition was also lesser. But here in Mumbai, the casting director, he plays a very, very huge role. And I started going to Aram Nagar. I started going to, places where these auditions used to take place. And then I got to know, okay, there's this proper system. If you want to enter into the into the TVC industry, into the ad industry, there are auditions, there are casting directors. They should know you as an actor, and they should know, okay, this person do exist. And then if they feel that okay, Lekha's look is going very well with this TVC, then they'll call you, and then you audition. And it's not just you who's auditioning, by the way. There are 500 other girls also who's auditioning.
Yeah.
and then the client selects, like the main guy selects that, okay, out of these auditions, who's the best, and then they'll sort out the date and the budgets, and then they'll do a sort of contract. So it's a little difficult process, but then once you get into it, you get into it. Once you start understanding it, and once you start understanding that, okay, this is how it works. Okay, there are few ads, where you need to be really bubbly, and there are few ads, like for example, there are very emotional ads also. Like you must have watched this one with Facebook, the Facebook ad, which is very emotional, very subtle, where we have to be very subtle, and you have to do very sort of minimal acting. So as an actor also, it improves. So I would suggest every person, who wants to enter the industry and wants to, get into acting, that do TVCs. Because I'll tell you something, TVCs, firstly, it helps you with camera. Because they use amazing cameras, and the same cameras are used in films also. So it helps you, you get a sort of understanding that, okay, this is, okay, wide lens kisko kehte hain, mid length kisko kehte hain, okay, if they're coming tight, what do you mean by that? Secondly, you'll get an idea how to be on set, because it's not just about acting. It is, I mean, I might be crying, and there might be 10 people standing next to me holding thermocol, and one must be cutting the light, and still after like so much chaos next to you, even though there's so much chaos and there's so much disturbance, you have to like be calm, focus on your craft, and just do it. So I think every actor who wants to get into the industry should sort of enter the television, ad industry
TVCs.
once. They'll get a lot of idea. Yeah.
Okay, so this is this is a good input that that for all the aspiring artists, it is important that they become a part of the TVCs before they go into the main screen. Okay, that's great. Okay, so how was your okay, I think there is a question. Please share your experience working with Virat Kohli. And before that, I would like to tell you one good comment that I have just read. Every Prajapati is proud of you, Lekha.
Thank you.
How cute,
How cute now when they turn your surname. Virat sir's amazing, and I just told you that everybody knows him. He's a fantastic cricketer, but he's also a very good actor. I remember when we were shooting with him, like every person who's acting has his or her own inputs also to give, like to put in and to bring on the table. He he came on set and he gave sort of few inputs to the director, and the director was very happy to like include it into the TVC, and like the final edit also had his inputs. So I think he's a very good actor. He's very chilled out, and he was on time. He's very chilled out, very cute, and very easy to work with. I mean, I did not feel that I'm working with an amazing superstar. He was like very, very, very chilled out.
Wow.
Yeah.
Okay, so how was your debut experience in the class of 83 and the Big Bull? How did you prepare for those auditions, and how did you crack it? We'd also want to know, that is like you mentioned about the TVCs, are the TVC auditions different from the movie auditions? So if you could just share with us.
Yeah. So see what happens once you get into the circle, like once you know the casting directors, and the casting directors know you, and you have done some sort of work, they also approach you for films, and also for TV serials, and also for other like for a YouTube short film or whatever. They keep auditioning. So yes, definitely, there's a huge difference between preparing for a film audition and preparing for a TVC, because when it comes to TVC, it is mostly about, see, you have to understand that TVC is any which way a 60-second thing. 59 60 भी मैं ज्यादा बोल रही हूँ, in fact
Max
30 to
हाँ
45
30
30 to
seconds हाँ
45 30 to 45
हाँ
seconds,
हाँ
and the
yeah
main focus is on the product. Like
the
for example,
product yeah
for example, if I have to sell this remote, the main focus would be on this remote and not on me. Unlike films, when it comes to film
very
auditions,
interesting
the entire focus is on you. How well do
hmm.
you perform? How well are you understanding the character? Are you looking the part? Are you acting the part? Are you feeling the same way the character would feel? So that the preparation is absolutely different. And when it comes to film auditions, you have to learn lines. You have to understand the backstory. TVC, maybe you have to understand a little bit about the product and backstory, but still, it's a little more easier, because
Hmm.
the focus is not on you, the focus is the product. Obviously you have to act,
Product
and you have to act here also and there also, you
yeah
have
you
to
have to
act.
yeah
And the set scenario is also more or less going to be the same. There are going to be 10,000 ADs, and there are going to be 10,000 people to distract you, but you have to be focused, and you have to like just concentrate on what you have to say, and concentrate on your craft. But when it comes to film auditions, I think preparation is a little more, because there you need to learn the lines. There you need to understand where is your character from. Is he a North Indian? Is he a South Indian? Whom you're interacting to? Are you interacting to your boyfriend or to your father? Your tonality changes. And what's the age of the character? Am I playing a college going girl who's just 16, or am I playing a mature lady, probably who's 36 or 38, or probably I'm playing my own age? So it differs. So I think preparation for a film is a little more in depth, I would say.
and do you feel that to have an experience in the theater is important to crack
Oh
an
yes,
interview
yes.
in the auditions
In
or
fact,
it's important
yeah. अच्छा, a lot of people are saying हिंदी में बात करो, तो हम थोड़ा हिंदी में ही बात करते हैं.
okay okay
हाँ, तो बहुत, तो आई थिंक मैं आपको बोलूंगी, थिएटर ही नहीं, किसी भी प्रकार की एक्टिंग, एनी सॉर्ट ऑफ एक्टिंग, बी इट टेलीविजन, बी इट फिल्म्स, बी इट वेब सीरीज, बी इट अ शॉर्ट फिल्म, बी इट थिएटर, बी इट नुक्कड़ नाटक, anywhere where you are acting as an actor in the capacity of an actor, इट इज गोइंग टू हेल्प. वो कहते हैं ना कि आपका कोई भी एक्सपीरियंस वेस्ट नहीं जाता. शायद आपको उस वक्त लगे कि अरे यार ये प्रोजेक्ट कर लिया, इससे मुझे क्या मिला, बट यू नेवर नो दैट एक्सपीरियंस माइट be useful after
work somewhere
10 months or probably 10 years.
10
You
months.
don't know.
10 years
yeah, you never know. So ये कभी नहीं बोलना चाहिए कि अरे I was a part of this project,
ऐसे
but I
कर
don't
दिया
know. I mean, yeah, because any which way it's going to help you. You might not, आपको उस वक्त realize नहीं हो, but वो कहीं ना कहीं आपको help करता है.
True, very interesting. And आपने ये जो आपका like this the experience debut जहाँ पे किया था in the class of 83 and the Big Bull, how did you crack that? Anything you want to just share with us? Any specific?
Yeah, so I got a call from the casting director, and I tested for it. And in class of 83, I remember the director, like when there was round 2 going on, he came and he briefed me about something. He was like, Lekha, this is what I want, this is the character, this is the kind of girl you need to play. And we did the scene, and he liked it, and I got the film. And same happened with the Big Bull. And I wasn't even aware that I'm going to work with Abhishek Bachchan,
yeah.
Soham Shah, such fantastic actors. But it was an amazing experience. And I'll tell you something, there are a lot of people who go to film schools to learn acting, but that experience, just being on set, was no lesser than being in a film school. Because when two actors and he has done so many films, he's so senior to me, so just watching him, I would learn a lot of things. And I would also like to add, as an actor, you need to have a decent observation skills, because it's very important to grab something. If another actor is doing, another senior actor is doing something, you just need to grab it and apply it on your own on your own method, and on your own character. If it works, it works. So it was a great experience. I can never forget that experience.
Yeah, it's very rightly said, Anath. No experience is a waste, you know.
Yeah.
Every experience and every learning counts, and it's a new thing that we have heard from you, that you know, even in the sets also you can learn a lot of things, and how you can
Oh
include that in
yes.
your own method and your own acting.
I'll tell you something. So all I think mm, Sonakshi. No, sorry. Who's Anil? Sonam Kapoor. Yeah, Sonam Kapoor
Hmm.
was she's been AD. Varun
Hmm.
Dhawan was AD.
Hmm.
Siddharth was AD. Ranbir Kapoor was an AD. Lot of actors. I think Ranveer Singh was also an AD for
Hmm.
in 3-4 films. So as an AD also you learn so much, because even though you're not acting, and even though you know you're not in front of
Hmm.
the camera, what the other
Hmm.
person is doing, you imbibe a lot of things
You
from
too.
him or
Yes.
her.
Yes. Yes.
And
Yes.
then when it's your time, you know, कहते हैं ना अपना time आएगा, तो जब आपका time है, then you know you can like add all those
Wow.
things, and it's only going to add to your craft. So
This is fab. This is very interesting, very fabulous. Okay, so now we have a small rapid fire round. So this is a very interesting round which we have. So I'll ask you 5 questions one by one. So you don't have to think much. जो भी पहले आता है answer, you know, first, and you have to just say that. Okay, so this is a very interesting question. Given a chance to date an actor, who would it be?
Hrithik sir, Hrithik Roshan, I am a huge Hrithik Roshan fan. Yeah.
Okay. How do you start your day?
By like opening my eyes, and you know, I mean I try to, but kabhi kabhar nahi ho pata, but I try to. You know, there are these morning affirmations where it says that
Hmm.
I'm starting a day, you know, my day is going to be great, and
Great.
I'm forgiving myself for what all I have done. It's a very nice thing. So
I know
there
about
are
that.
10,
Yeah, I know about that.
there are 10 affirmations that I am the
Hmm.
most powerful person, and something like this, and
Hmm.
it's a
Hmm.
really like nice thing. It gives you so much energy,
Yes, yes.
because
I
sometimes
completely agree.
sometimes in the morning you're a little grumpy, you're like, okay, after 5 minutes I'm going to wake up, but once you listen to those affirmations, you're like,
Hmm.
oh god, chalo, let's start
Wow.
the day. So yeah.
If you could raid one woman's closet, who would it be?
Deepika
One
Padukone.
woman's closet. Ah, okay.
Yeah.
Okay. It's brunch. So what do you eat?
On a brunch, like what, it's a
Yeah,
brunch
on a
date or
brunch.
like
Yeah.
with friends?
It's just a brunch. Yeah, just a brunch, and your only focus is to eat. So what would be your preferences and your
So I
choices?
love paneer. Paneer is one of my favorite things to eat. I love paneer, so probably I'll call for some paneer bhurji or anything to do with paneer. And like if I could explore, you know, different cuisines, I'll probably go for a sushi. I'm a sushi lover. I
Oh.
am a huge sushi lover. Yeah, I love sushi. Yeah.
Okay. So what was your worst subject in school?
I don't think so. I don't think so worst, but I just felt EVS. EVS. There used to be this subject called
EVS.
EVS, where they used to teach you about environment and, you know,
Oh.
environmental stuff. I just felt, I mean, I'm not saying it was useless, but I just feel that, and plus, you know,
Unproductive.
yeah, not so productive. And plus, you know, the numbers, like out of 100, whatever number you get, like for example, I got 75. So 75 used to not add to the final result. Like, are you
Hmm.
understanding? Like the
I
final,
got your point.
there are 5 subjects, so EVS is any which way not included, but we used to have a separate class for EVS, 1 hour ka class, and then we have to have separate
Acha.
exam. And then you used to have a separate
Oh.
examination.
And that will not be included in the
Yeah,
final.
and no,
Oh,
yes, and
that's
in
so
the
mean.
report, and in the report, in the final report card, you get A or A plus or B. Or, marks bhi nahi batate the. Like, you know, they used to just like write the
Oh,
grade. So
that's
I think
mean.
it was a wastage of time. Yeah.
Wow, so that was just very interesting. Okay, so okay, then you were among the top 5 finalists in India's Next Superstar.
Yeah.
That was by Karan Johar and Rohit Shetty, if I'm not mistaken, right? So, how was the whole experience? And we have heard that you were there for 90 days without mobile as well. So, you know, what are the entire takeaways of those 90 days?
Oh God, it was a good social detox. Firstly, let me start with that. It was like a mini Big Boss house, and but here the difference was, you know, we were judged on the basis of our skills, our acting skills and our dancing skills. And it was very great. And I really understood both of them, like Rohit sir and Karan sir's mentality, and how they function and how they work around things. And we were locked with, like, I was locked with another 19 contestants for good 3 months, whom I've never met.
You don't know,
So
yeah.
yeah,
Never met
whom you
earlier.
don't know, and you are without your phone, without any sort of book, or there's nothing else to do but to talk to them. What do you do? Like, you are a social human being is a social being. What do you do? So obviously, we all started interacting. We became friends. Few of us fought also. Whatever we did, like, but it was huge fun. And I feel that entire experience has really, made me a better actor and definitely a better person, because in that house you become a lot patient, and you understand the other person's mental process, and you understand other person's feeling. Because here in our real world, what happens, if somebody is like not liking the other person's vibe, we just disconnect, we might block, or we just stop talking. There you can't do that.
No
There you
choice,
have to
yeah.
talk.
There's no choice.
Yeah, because tomorrow you might be acting partners, and then you have to work together. So काम साथ में करने के लिए you have to speak to that person. So I think it has evolved me, as a human being and also as an
As a
actor.
person.
I think yeah, those 90 days, in those 90 days, I think I started understanding emotions much more in a better manner. And Mahesh Bhatt sir used to come, Mukesh Habra used to come and train us. So when you have such experienced and such amazing people around you training you,
People
like, day
around.
in day out, it's a lovely experience.
Wow. And how did you crack in that audition? Were there a lot of people, like in the TV we normally see in the reality shows, line se pura log rehte hain. Was
Yeah,
it a similar thing for
वैसा
you also?
इतनी तो भीड़ नहीं थी, but yeah, but I remember we were asked to dance, like, in the audition, any one song you dance, any Hindi song or English song, they wanted to see you can dance. Basically, you understand musicality and you understand beats. So tomorrow if there's a choreographer on set teaching you choreography, you can pick up. And secondly, we had to do a scene in either of the genre, horror, comedy, something really serious, something very subtle, and one more, I think some romantic thing. So there were 3-5 areas, you had to pick one. So I remember I picked the comedy, and there was this entire monologue from the film called Gajni, where this girl where this girl says that Amir Khan is my hone wala husband, and actually Amir Khan मुझसे कभी मिला भी नहीं होता है. And there's this entire monologue, so I did that monologue, and it went well. I danced also well. So yeah, that's how I think I was.
That's great. That's really great. All right. So, okay, you have been part of a 100 CR movie in Tollywood, and that too directed by Puri Jagannath. He's one of the finest directors, and people really want to work with him.
Yeah.
So, how did you crack its audition? And please share your experience about working with him.
So again, I tested, but I told them that I can't speak the language that well, and they were like, it's okay, we'll sort of figure it out. And they welcomed me with open hands, even though I don't belong from Hyderabad, or I'm not a South Indian, but they treated me so well, and I am really, really grateful that I was on board, and I had such amazing time. And I'll tell you an interesting fact. In fact, a funny story, that when we were on set, I think 2-3 days I was like little not so connected, because my manager, my hair artist, my makeup artist, everybody on, in fact even the spot boy was speaking in Telugu. And either I understand English or Hindi, and Telugu is which I do not understand that well. But I'll tell you, after 4th or 5th day, I could understand what are they saying. I don't know.
Oh,
how.
really?
Yeah, because I tell you, day in, day night, 24/7, I'm hearing Telugu. I'm hearing. But 24 घंटे I'm hearing this language and nothing apart from it. I don't know, 5th day I could understand. and you know, somebody was saying something, and I'm like, nahi aise nahi aisa hota. So he's like, oh ma'am, you understood. I'm like, I'm a good learner.
Wow, there are a
It
lot
was
of claps
nice,
going
yeah,
up,
it
so
was
all
nice.
everyone is loved it.
So it was nice. It was a very good experience.
So was it the same audition process that you had to go through, or
Yeah,
you were called upon?
yeah,
Okay.
no. So, but I auditioned in English because
Hmm.
yeah, because they were more comfortable with English. They told me either you audition in Telugu or you audition in
Hmm.
English. So see, I'll tell you something. Language कितनी भी change हो जाए, but अगर emotion is going to be same. Like for example, I mean it shouldn't happen, but you know, if a child dies, an
Hmm.
American woman or an American mother and an Indian mother are going to cry in the same manner.
Same way,
Lang-
absolutely, absolutely.
Language and ethnicity is not going to, you know,
True.
change the emotion. Like for
Hmm.
example, if there's a Chinese couple, there's a guy and a girl, and they're in love with each other, they are going to, you know, have the same sort of
Love the
feeling what
same,
an Indian
yeah.
couple might have. So
Hmm.
the point is, emotion never changes. It will never change.
Hmm.
With the kind of language or you know where you come from, वो emotion तो emotion वैसा ही रहता है. So
Hmm.
that is a little easy for me because
Hmm.
carrying that emotion, I might be acting here, I might be acting in USA, or I
Hmm.
might be acting in
Hmm.
Hyderabad. That is same now. I just need to crack the language, which which
Language, yeah.
which I think after 2-3
Hmm.
films or you know after workshops of like 1.5 months, you sort of get it. So yeah,
Hmm.
that's not a problem.
Yeah, that's something very important which you shared, that the emotion and the acting remains the same. The school of
Yeah,
acting, the all you learn is the same. It's only the language that maybe might be different, when you work in different
yeah,
industries.
yeah.
That's something very, very meaningful and very important that you shared. All right. So you have worked in the music videos of Sachin Jigar, Jubin Garg, and also Honey Singh. So
Yeah.
how did you go through the auditions, or how did you just get into it? Like, we just wanted to
So
know. And we
they,
have seen the lot of views, huge views in the YouTube of those
oh
videos.
yeah, 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 yeah. Hmm. So Honey Singh ka we recreated his song Hi Mera Dil, and
Hmm.
the I think the director knew me, and I think then I mean he you know he asked me to hear the song and he told me that would you like to be a part of it, and you know Ali is going to be opposite you, and
Hmm.
Honey Singh ka gana hai, he you know we are recreating the song. So I heard the song, I heard the recreated version, and I heard the original also Hi Mera Dil. And
Hmm.
I saw कि 90s में it was a huge hit. I was like, oh, definitely,
Yes.
sir. Why would I not be a part of it? इतना iconic गाना है. Same happened with Zubin sir. I heard the
Hmm.
song and I got to know that Zubin Garg has sung, and I'm like, wow. And you know, then I got to know that Zubin sir is the same person who sang
Yali.
Yali in the
Yali,
film
yeah.
Gangster.
Hmm.
And I
Hmm.
was like, wow, yeah, this is such a great
Hmm.
opportunity. And you know,
Hmm.
Northeast audience, I've got like less of Northeast audience, if I may say. So I've
Hmm.
got like decent amount of fan following in the North and in the South and in the West. But when it comes to East, I've never been a part of any, you know, Northeastern project or any
Hmm.
short film or a feature film or a, so like
Hmm.
let me tap this is a very great opportunity also
Yeah.
as an artist. And I like, let me do this. And it was bought by Times Music. The song was bought by Times
Hmm.
Music,
Hmm.
and it did really well. Then I think the last one was done by Sachin Jigar. So they
Hmm.
sang. Jigar sang, and he was opposite me. And Sachin Jigar composed the song. And when I
Hmm.
heard the song, and when I got to know that there's this very senior filmmaker who's going to do it, I was like, oh, let me do it. This is, and when I saw the final output, I was like, wow. My decision was so very much correct.
Hmm.
I mean, I'm looking so beautiful, and you know the way they have shown me, and the
Hmm.
entire song is on the girl. Like you know, they're praising
Yeah.
that how
Yes, I know.
beautiful is your eyes, how beautiful, like you know, you bring sunshine when you smile. So it's a very female girl oriented song.
Girl
So
oriented, yeah.
yeah, so I mean the music videos are always fun. You know, you have to look pretty, you have to look nice, and until and unless you have to cry, it's all pretty and nice, and you know you have to vibe with the guy. So it's all nice and fun.
Wow. Okay, so Lekha, many congratulations for being part of the very popular Hotstar series City of Dreams, and we are all very excited that season 2 is coming. So we
Yeah.
are all eagerly waiting for it to be live streamed. So anything you'd like to share about that, to our audience? Anything about your role or the series? Anything,
Yeah.
anything. It's all up to you.
So it's part 2. So like a lot of people, who have watched it already, they know about the show. It's a political satire, and it shows how, when a family is involved into politics, how your family dynamic changes, how your relationship changes, how your personal relationships and your interpersonal relationship, probably, brother and sister, brother and father, brother and mother, just because you are a political just because you're a political family, how it all changes. So
Hmm.
it's a lovely story, and I think anybody who's in politics or not in politics would, sort of relate to it. And we have an amazing director. Nagesh Kuknur has directed it, who happens to
Yeah.
be a national award winner,
Yes.
and I was so
Yes.
excited to work with him. I'm like,
Work with
wow,
him.
amazing, this is so cool. Such a senior filmmaker is, directing me, and I'm eagerly waiting for it to come out. And once it's out, we'll probably do a live again.
Oh, that's lovely, surely. And when
Yeah.
exactly, any tentative dates of it to be releasing or coming
Probably
on
next month.
live?
Probably next month.
Oh,
Probably.
wow. That's
Yeah.
interesting.
Yeah.
Yeah.
There's one
Oh,
question, Lekha. Who's the kindest celebrity you have met? I think I
mm,
would say Ilyana and Abhishek sir. They both are such
mm,
big superstars, but they both are so humble and like down to earth, and they'll never make you
mm,
feel that, oh, you are somebody who's like just starting your career. They are
mm,
very like open, and like they're very humble. I would say you won't even
mm.
feel you are working with a superstar. They're that good.
Okay.
Yeah, there are a lot of
Okay.
questions.
There are a lot
Yeah.
of questions. Yeah, there's one more question. Please tell us about your love life.
Oh God, my love life is going very simple and nothing is happening. So
So that
yeah,
that that raises some opportunities for all the fans or the boys out there. There's
yes
nothing
please.
happening.
Yeah, yes please.
See, the hearts are going up. They're
DM
very
me.
interested. They love them.
Okay, somebody is saying if you smile was like a sunshine, you'll kill all
Kill
of mine.
all mind.
Yeah, this goes for both of us, by the way. It's not only for me; it's for you also. Yeah.
Okay. Meaning of your name. Somebody just asked.
Yeah. So lekha means accounts. So
Mm,
accountancy को हिंदी में we call लेखा शास्त्र. So
mm.
accountancy.
All right. Okay, so we are coming to the end of the interview. I will ask you,
Yeah.
two more questions. Any message for our audience?
Hmm.
And after this, we will take the audience questions. We'll
Sure.
definitely take questions of the audience. Yeah.
Sure. So right now, I would just like to say one thing that in fact, yesterday, Government of India, issued an statement saying that there's been decrease in the cases when it comes to COVID, and it's a sign
Mm.
that third wave might
Mm.
come.
Third wave
It's
is
a, it's a
coming.
it's a
Yeah.
risky sign, right?
Mm.
So please, guys, be a little careful. अगर आपको जरूरत नहीं है, please don't go to like go out. Please don't step out until and unless it's very necessary. Secondly, please wear your masks. And हम लोग जो भी बीच में कर रहे थे, we were all drinking काढ़ा, and we were all taking steam, and we were all
Mm.
like boosting our immunity by taking multivitamins. So please continue, because I think a lot of even in my house itself, in my family too, a lot of people are like they've become a little lenient कि अच्छा अभी तो सब कुछ normal हो गया, but अभी तक सब कुछ normal नहीं हुआ है. So I would just like to say that please be a little careful, because third wave might just happen because
Might
of
come.
our
Yeah.
negligence. How second wave
Mm.
happened, like initially we just thought कि अच्छा अभी everything is back to normal, let's like carry on with our lives,
Mm.
and then the second wave did
Yeah.
hit us. So I would
Yes.
just say just be a little careful, and yeah, just step out of your house when it is actually required. Otherwise, like just keep a
Stay
low
home and
profile
stay
right
safe.
now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Any special message for Bollywood Couch?
You guys are so amazing. You guys are so amazing, and I would like to do a live once the City of Dreams comes
Sure,
out. In
sure. We'd
fact,
love to.
I would like to add there's this one web show. There's this one short film that went on air on MX called The Right One.
Hmm.
I'm the
Oh,
main lead
yes,
of the
yes, yes,
film. Me and one
yes.
more guy. His name is
Hmm.
Rishi Saxena. So please, guys, go and watch that. And there's a lot of content coming out, and
Hmm.
I'm a part of a lot of other projects too, which we might discuss when we go live next time. So I promise that I'll keep you guys entertaining, and I'll keep you guys, providing with you with some nice content. But just go and watch it, and I would like to hear
Surely.
what you have to say.
Surely. So, guys, MX Player, the right one, yeah?
Yeah,
Definitely. I'm sure that everyone will be watching that. It was lovely to have you, Lekha. So now it's time that we take the audience questions.
yeah,
But
yes,
before
yes,
that, before taking the audience questions, I would like to thank our associates. I'd also like to share that Bollywood Couch, in Bollywood Couch, we are trying to promote a bunch of women entrepreneurs who are trying to do something on their own and, contribute their best to our country. So we have with us our beauty partner Vedi, our accessories partner Truly Mittala, our community partner V, food partner Machi, and our education partner SSS Academy. And also we have with us our food partner Indie Fair, makeup and hair partner Dishanu Bora, and our media partner Expansion Digital PR. Great. So now let us take the audience questions. I think
yes,
one
please.
question was there. I think three people have asked. Who's your favorite idol?
I really like Priyanka Chopra. I think and it's a birthday also today. So happy birthday, Priyanka ma'am.
Oh, oh.
And yeah, and I just feel the way she's handled her career, and the transition that she made from Bollywood to Hollywood is like
Hmm.
amazing.
Yes,
And
yes.
she's making our country proud. So yeah.
Great. What are your upcoming projects?
So yeah, the City of Dreams, which is going to be out on Disney Hotstar. It's part two. It's season two of City of Dreams,
Hmm.
and then there's one more web show that we did. Its name is White Gold. It's based on
Hmm.
Afim.
Oh,
What do we call it
Afima,
in English?
that I know.
Yeah, what do we call it in English?
I
I'm just
got.
forgetting the name. It's
I
it's
also
called
just
Black Gold. It's called Black Gold, I guess.
Black
And
Gold. Okay.
yeah, it's based on the taskari of Afim, and how this Afim industry operates, and it's
Hmm.
illegal, but still it makes
Hmm.
crores. Like the turnover is
Crores,
of
yeah.
crores.
Yeah.
So
I
it's
believe in
based on
millions.
that.
It must be in millions, yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
Hmm.
Then there's one more short film which is based in Lucknow. We shot it in Lucknow, and it's called Gulabi Reverie. The platform is
Hmm.
not yet decided, but it's going to be out in upcoming months, like in next few months. So, and there's one Malayalam film lined up. It's called
Oh,
Shanam.
that's
It's
it.
a
That's
yeah,
great.
it's
Wow.
a it's a horror thriller film, and
Okay.
yeah, it's a psychological thriller sort of thing. It's called Opium, or somebody said, yeah, Afim is called Opium in
Opium.
English.
Okay, opium.
Yeah.
Hmm. Which is
So
the platform you did not share with us? The platform where it will be released?
no, the
Yeah.
platform is not decided yet,
Okay.
Abhi, but then
Okay.
the projects are ready,
Okay.
dubbed and ready. So once the
Okay.
platform is decided, then
Hmm.
yeah.
Oh, wow. Wow. So that is really great. Let me take. Okay.
Yes.
Please speak some lines in Hindi, please, Lekha
हिंदी
ma'am. I think she just did.
जी 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 बिल्कुल हिंदी में बोले. अच्छा, किसी ने एक और क्वेश्चन पूछा था. Are you
Dream
looking
husband.
forward to Hol?
Okay.
Are you
Hollywood.
looking?
Okay.
How? Why not? I mean, you should. Abhi to everybody is becoming everybody is a global citizen and a global artist. So why not? Achha, somebody's asked me Madhu Bala or Meena Kumari. Oh, very difficult. Both of them are like icons. I can't. I mean, I don't think so. I'm in a position to choose any of them. They are amazing and fantastic.
And then,
Yeah, I think we have answered a lot of specific questions.
one more interesting question. Your dream husband. So this is a
Ah,
Swayamvar kind of thing now. They so that people will be eligible as per the requirements. That they will get prepared according to that.
See,
The
I'll
qualities
tell
maybe
you.
you look for.
I'll tell you something. See, I'm a very self-made girl, so I would just like not even husband, my partner, probably a
Hmm.
boyfriend or fiance, to be a
Hmm.
self-made boy.
Wow.
And
I loved your
yeah,
answer. Loved your answer.
yeah, that is something which is like a prerequisite. Like, अगर वो नहीं है तो
Hmm.
फिर तो आगे बात
हाँ
भी नहीं
वो
हो सकती
entrance
है.
है मतलब वो that's the entrance what is
Yeah,
it
yeah.
called I just forgot the
वो,
term
yeah.
just the entry
वो क्या कहते हैं प्रिलिमिनरी राउंड तो
preliminary
प्रिलिमिनरी
round.
राउंड है वो. जी बिल्कुल.
Wow, okay. So, okay, I have one question for you. I have heard, somewhere that, you have a dream that you want to become the brand ambassador for Rajasthan tourism.
Oh yes,
Somewhere I
yes.
just read. Yeah. So would you like to share anything about that to us?
So
Anything
see,
that you were planning to that or anything just, that is in your
So see,
mind.
I'll tell you, like Amitabh sir, is a brand ambassador for Gujarat. Then
Gujarat.
Priyanka
Hmm.
Chopra ma'am is the brand ambassador for Assam tourism, and a lot of other actors are
Hmm.
like. I would like because see, I'm born and brought up in Rajasthan, and I'm very very much Rajasthani that way. We do eat a lot of pickle when it comes to dinner. We do add a lot
Yeah.
of spices, and
Masala.
we do. Yeah, we do add a lot of like our dinner is not completed like if there's no papad. So the like how
Mm.
Rajasthani people are. We have a lot of spices, and towards the end we want something sweet to eat. Like in Mumbai, I I,
Mm.
I don't think so. I've ever seen somebody eating sweet
Yeah.
after the dinner. After your dinner is completed, like dessert.
Mm.
But not only in hotel, like not only when we go to hotels here, like in regular lives also, we do eat something. Probably a small piece of jaggery would also do it, like
Oh,
but something sweet. So
but
I just
मीठा
feel
चाहिए.
exactly. So I just feel I'm very as a Rajasthani, and Rajasthan tourism has huge scope. There are some
Mm.
amazing places. There's this film called Rang De Basanti, which was being shot entirely
Mm.
in Rajasthan. The
Mm.
entire portion of there's one song which was shot, in Nargad
Mm.
and Jodhpur, Ajmer, Udaipur. So I think there's a lot of scope when it comes to Rajasthan tourism, and lot
Mm.
of people have explored it, but we can explore it more, and I think we can promote it a little more. So I would love to be a part
Mm.
of the tourism industry, and I would love
Great.
to be the brand ambassador, and I would love to tell people of India that please come to Rajasthan. There are a lot of other things. People just think, "Acha,
Yeah.
Rajasthan, oh, it is just going to be sand and camels." No, there's a lot more than sand and camels. There are a lot of amazing
Mm.
havelis, amazing luxurious, hotels, and like palaces where you can come and stay with your family.
Mm.
So yeah,
Mm.
I would like to be a part
Great.
of it.
I really hope that this message goes to those people in the tourism who
Yeah,
are actually looking for.
yes. And then you, me, and Rohit, and the entire gang is going to go there.
Great. Yeah, surely. Okay, so we can take one more question. How
Hi,
are you
Shubham.
maintaining your yeah,
Yeah.
how are you maintaining your fitness in COVID times? Any tips for your fans?
So I generally work out. I almost work out every day or every alternative day. Right now the gyms are open, but then earlier when the gyms were not open, I used to do a lot of workout from YouTube. Like I used to just switch on
Oh.
the YouTube, yeah, YouTube, and when you type exercises at home, or yoga exercises at home,
Hmm.
there are going to be
The
one
N
crore,
number, yeah,
yeah,
true,
n
very true,
number
yeah.
of things. And then you start doing it, and I gradually started enjoying it. Or Arey, thank you, Shubham, thank you so much. So Shubham is a very good friend. So he's just
Okay.
yeah. So and I've got weights at home. So
Hmm.
I do a little bit of weight training here and there, and just picking up the right, like taking right choices, like just avoiding lift, and just taking the
Taking the
staircases,
stairs. Yeah,
and
yes.
avoiding a little of a little bit of oil, avoiding deep fried things, like, even if it's pakoras, you can like probably steam it or whatever. But then, if you're trying to fry it, and deep fry is the worst thing. So, just like, avoiding sugar in your tea, and, probably replacing it with jaggery, probably replacing your normal salt with pink salt. Yeah, these are small things, which you can
Small
do.
things.
Yeah. And like, just be a little active. I mean, I will never suggest somebody to go to a gym, but, to have some sort of exercise, probably if you play badminton. Don't say that I play chess, huh? You chess to बैठ के खेलते हैं. So, don't say that I play chess. Just like any sort of physical activity, like, cricket अगर आपको खेलना है, whatever. So this really helps. Like, you should keep your body moving. That's it.
Wow. Wow, Lekha, it was really wonderful interviewing you. I would love to, extend it more, but this Instagram will actually stop it. So,
Yeah.
one more last question. What's your diet? This is the last question I would be taking.
Okay, what's my diet? So it keeps changing, and I think like, if in case I know that in next 10 days or 15 days I'm shooting, and I have to wear a certain costume, then probably I'll cut down a little bit of carbs, and I'll add a little bit of protein, probably more paneer, more eggs, because I'm a vegetarian. So all these small things, and probably I'll add my, like, increase the timing of my weight training, like, weight training I'll increase. I'll do less of cardio, more of weight training. And yeah, I think but I'll tell you something, a lot of people say that, okay, what's your diet secret? But dieting is not something which I'll really suggest. And eating clean and healthy is a lifestyle. It's a lifestyle change. You can't like eat clean for 7 days and expect expect your body to look amazing. This is not how it works. It should be 365 days in a year. And never go, I always tell everybody around me, and my siblings also, never go for something which you cannot continue your lifetime, like, in your lifetime. Like, if in case I pick up a certain diet, but what if it's not available in my country? Like, there are few fruits which are not available in India, like 24/7 or 365. So always try to pick up things which are available, firstly, and secondly, which you can maintain throughout the year. Because then only it's going to show results. आप वो जो crash diet नहीं करते हो कि 2 हफ्ते का 3 हफ्ते का, एक तो it's not necessary,
Not
secondly
healthy.
it's not
Yeah,
healthy.
it's not
It's
healthy.
not healthy. Yeah.
Yeah.
So probably do something which आप continue कर सको, और अभी के लिए आप जिंदगी भर continue कर सको. So I mean, I would always suggest anyone and everyone who's hearing this to stick to a diet which is firstly easily available, secondly you like it, and thirdly you can like continue it for a very long time without like thinking about it कि अरे आज तो dieting करना है. नहीं, ऐसा नहीं होता है. It's a lifestyle thing, I would say.
Wow. So, Lekha, it was really amazing, So, I think we have to halt this interview here. I'm sure we'll be having you live once again. The City of Dreams is live. Would love to interview once again. It was amazing to have you, and thank you all the audience for projects, and also, for all the things you do. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
We'll see you soon.
Thank you for having me. Thank you.
Yeah, it was great to have you. Thank you so much, Lekha.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye-bye. Bye.
Bye.